Welcome back. In this video, we are going to do a couple of example questions to familiarize with trigonometric ratios. When it comes to trigonometric ratio, there are two types of question. One type of question is the angle and side is given for a triangle, and we need to find the other sides and angles. Okay, so if you look at this question, we have a triangle, a right angle triangle, and the angle is 30 degree, and they have given another side which is 10 centimeter. For this angle 30 degree, as you know, this is side opposite side, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. They have given hypotenuse and they're asking for opposite, right? So let's go back to our formula triangle here and see which trigonometric ratio we should use. So we need to find opposite, right? So we have opposite here, we have opposite here. So we can't use cos because there are no opposite. Now, if you look at the sine and tan, what is given? Hypotenuse. Adjacent is not given. So we don't have adjacent. So we can't use tan as well. So what we can use is sine, right? Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite is equal to hypotenuse times sine 30. So we need to find what is sine 30, right? You can use your calculator and make sure your calculator in degree mode. So if you use a calculator and if you type sine 30, then you will get 0.5. Sine 30 is equal to 0.5. Hypotenuse is 10 centimeter times sine 30 is 0.5, therefore 5 centimeter. So the opposite is equal to 5 centimeter. Let's go to the second question. Okay, here same right angle triangle, 90 degree, and for this angle 30, hypotenuse is given 10 centimeter, and they're asking for adjacent, right? So let's see which trigonometric ratios we can use. So hypotenuse is given and they're asking for adjacent. So we can't use sine because there are no adjacent in that equation, and we can either use cos or tan, but we don't know opposite of this triangle. So we can't use tan as well. To answer this question, we need to use cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, if you change adjacent subject, this is going to be hypotenuse times cos 30. Again, we need to find cosine. If you use the calculator in degree mode, cosine 30 is equal to 0.8660. So hypotenuse equal to 10 centimeter times 0.8660, which is equal to 8.660 centimeter. So let's do one more question. In this triangle, again it is a right angle triangle. This angle is 30 degree, and what is given is the adjacent. Adjacent is equal to 10 centimeter, and they are asking for opposite. As you may figure out, this is focusing on tan because they are asking for opposite and adjacent is given. So this is a perfect candidate. So we don't need to use cosine or sine. So they are asking for opposite. So opposite equal to adjacent times tan. So opposite equal adjacent times tan 30. Again, we need to find value for tan 30. The calculator in degree mode, tan 30 is 0.5773. Okay, so adjacent in this triangle is 10 centimeter times tan 30 is 0.5773. So the answer is 5.773 centimeter. So the opposite is 5.773 centimeter. Thank you. Move on to next video.